So, I know I mentioned it a couple of times. We're getting a little closer. I thought I'd mention it again. We've got our upcoming prophecy conference on September 14th with Barry Stagner. He's going to come out and share for our conference this year, which we're calling Until He Comes 2024 Eschatology Matters. If you're not familiar with Barry, I'd encourage you to hop on YouTube and look him up. He's got some great Bible teaching. He's a wonderful pastor and Bible teacher from California. But in particular, in this context, we're very thankful that he's coming because he's a tremendously gifted Bible prophecy teacher. He's done a lot of work with Amir Tsarfati. He's been on Jan Markell's program kind of regularly. And he's going to come out, he's going to share 3 main sessions and a Q&A with us. And so it'll be a great time just encouraging one another in the Lord as we look for the Lord's coming. So as a matter of fact, in regard to our Q&A, if you'd like to ask a question, you can do that by submitting it when you register. I'll have a link to that just below this post. Or if you want to go to our website at calvarychapelfranklin.com, there's a big thing right on the top that says Prophecy Conference. Click on that and you can register. And as you register, you can also submit a question. And we'll try and take as many of those as we can on that day. You can also email us at info@calvarychapelfranklin.com or go on our Telegram channel at Parsons Pad Podcast and submit a question there as well. Now, the Turner Theater in the factory in Franklin is where the conference is going to be. It seats about 300. We'd encourage you to go ahead and sign up. And if you're coming with anybody, sign them up with you together so that we can get you seated together. We're probably going to end up doing assigned seating, so we want to make sure that we can get groups together if possible. But be patient with us. If it gets a little full and we can't do that, we'll do our best. But we just ask you to be gracious about that. But again, we'll provide some snacky stuff, some coffee in the morning. We're going to give everybody about an hour and a half to go ahead and grab lunch there in the factory where there's lots of restaurants and little shops and a coffee shop and all kinds of cool stuff there. The factory is also just a few minutes from downtown Franklin, where there's, again, lots of places to eat and just hang out during that lunch break. So that being said, just want to encourage you to sign up. The conference is going to be from about 9:30 to 4. We'll open the doors sometime around 8:30 or 9. So get there early if you can, and come out and join us. This is going to be a wonderfully encouraging time with other believers who are excited about seeing Jesus and are about His business and want to hear more and just learn about what the Bible has to say about these things. God has told us so many things about the days leading up to the coming of Christ. And so to consider those things together in this setting will just be a tremendous encouragement. So we hope you can join us. Again, September 14th from about 9:30 to 4. Barry Stagner is going to be with us, and we'll have a link to the registration and the webpage where you can sign up for it right below the post here in the notes. Or again, you can go on our website at calvarychapelfranklin.com and you can register through that as well. Thanks again, and hope you can join us.